Let's not sugarcoat this, marketing for beginners. It's a mess. You open YouTube and it's all noise. Use ChatGPT. Post more on Instagram. Grind harder. Cool. But here's the uncomfortable truth, you're doing all that. And nothing's working, still stuck, still invisible, still wondering if this whole online business thing was just a bad idea. Let me tell you something no guru will say, it's not your fault. See, most people throw random tools at you. But you don't need tools, you need a tool stack that thinks like a teammate, not something that adds more work, something that actually lightens your load. Today, I'm giving you the exact AI tools that real solopreneurs use to stay sane. Save time and actually make money, without pretending to be a full-time marketing agency. This isn't just a list, this is a system that'll help you skip the confusion, get focused, and build with clarity. New tools. Meet Zara. She's a solopreneur, started as a graphic designer, then shifted into helping small businesses build their brand. Her content? Solid. Her effort? Consistent. Her results? Almost nothing. For 6 months straight, she showed up online, posting, designing, replying to DMs, all the things people say you have to do. But there were no clients, no income, no growth, all while saving over 40 hours of manual work every week. That's what we're breaking down next, the exact 5 AI tools Zara used to run her business smoother, faster, and smarter. Tool number 1, Jasper, your AI copywriting co-founder. Its role is an AI copywriting engine. Website, jasper.ai. Why Jasper isn't just another writing tool. Most people use ChatGPT for copywriting, but Jasper was designed specifically for marketers. This means it understands persuasion, emotional triggers, and selling, not just writing text. For Zara, Jasper became more than a helper, it was like having a copywriting partner who never sleeps. Instead of staring blankly at her screen for hours, she could pump out scroll-stopping social captions, landing page copy, and email sequences that actually convert, in a fraction of the time. What really sets Jasper apart, it's tailored for your niche, not generic. Keeps your brand voice consistent, which builds trust and recognition over time. It can brainstorm ideas when you're stuck, saving mental energy for bigger strategy moves. They used the secret weapon. Zara stopped overthinking every word. Jasper's AI backed her creativity, turning rough ideas into clear, powerful messages that resonated. I've a pro tip for you if you're serious about building a solo brand, invest the time to learn Jasper's templates and commands. They make your writing faster, smarter, and more persuasive. Toolbox tool number 2, durable.co, the 30-second website builder that actually converts. Its role is an AI website builder. Website, durable.co. Here's the truth, most solopreneurs waste weeks trying to build a website that never gets visitors or leads. Zara, she didn't have time for that. So she turned to Durable. Durable uses AI to create a complete personal brand website, from design to forms to call to actions, in under 30 seconds. Why is this a game changer? Because it's not just fast, it's smart. The AI builds your site optimized to turn visitors into customers, not just show off a portfolio. How Zara used it. No coding required, instant launch with lead capture built in, focus on messaging, not technical headaches. The result? A professional, high-converting home base for her brand, created while she slept. Durable updates your site's SEO basics automatically, so you're always discoverable without extra work. Tool number 3, copy.ai, the AI-powered sales email wingman. Its role is automated email sales copy assistant. Copy.ai, let's be honest, most solopreneurs hate follow-ups. They dread sounding pushy or robotic. So leads go cold. Copy.ai fixed that for Zara. It's more than just an email generator. It crafts human-sounding sales scripts, nurture sequences, and cold outreach that feel genuine, but are automated. Why it's a must-have, helps you stay consistent with follow-ups without losing your voice, turns hesitant prospects into paying clients, saves hours spent agonizing over the right words. For Zara, Copy.ai emails weren't just words in a box, they were her confidence boost. No more guesswork. Just results. Consistent, authentic follow-ups build relationships and trust. And that trust translates into higher ticket sales and long-term clients. It's easy to grab one shiny AI tool and expect miracles. But Zara's real win came from building a stack that works in harmony. Jasper crafts the message, Durable builds the stage, Copy.ai handles the follow-up. Each tool fills a crucial gap in her marketing workflow, so she never wastes energy juggling manual tasks and can focus on growing her business. If you want more real, honest tools and tips, tested by solopreneurs who've been in your shoes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. AI Weeklies isn't just another channel. It's a community for people who want to work smarter, not harder, and get paid for what they're building. Stick around. Your smarter marketing journey? It starts right now, and you don't have to do it alone. Ready to stop the hustle and start building with purpose? Let's take this step, together.